Hey YouTube, it's Jess and welcome to my second paycheck in June's cash stuffing. We're going to be stuffing my variable expenses and my sinking funds. So if you're interested in seeing that, please stay tuned. So yeah, I have my cash here. This is a free envelope from the Budget Mom. And the first thing I like to do is rearrange the money. I like all my bills to face the same way. Oh, these are some crusty fives. All right. Can still spend them though, right? All right. So I have 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 600, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 633. That's how much we needed. See that? Yep, there you go. So here we are. We're setting up the money. Break that up. Scooch, scooch.
Make room for your friends. We're just gonna get comfortable with each other here.
I'm gonna bring out my new expense tracker and then my purple binder. And I know I'm gonna need new envelopes. I'm gonna start off with, I guess, a new one, which is the gifts. So I'm gonna use this for gifts, and I'm gonna grab a pencil and just mark it on here so that I know. The first one was gifts, and gifts we said we were putting in 5. So I think that I'm just gonna grab a 5. And then I don't know if I have a extra slot for gifts since I haven't made one yet. So I'm going to use this tracker sheet that I got for free from the Budget Mom, and I'm going to fill it in until I create a card for my new sinking funds. So I have that. I'm going to put that to the side and then just put them all in at the same time into my binder. So next up would be my health fund. And for the health, we said we were going to get 30. So I'm going to do a 20 and a 10. So 30. And I like the smaller denomination in the front. I like saying having less motivates me more than having more. If I have a lot, I'm like, oh, I don't need to, like I have enough. Versus if I see the smaller bill, I'm like, oh, I don't have enough, let me put in more. So again, for the health, I don't have a slip, so I'm gonna record it on here. Cheese fun, and I actually have a clear envelope for him that I made. It's a very simple one. So for his fun, I said that he was getting $6. So I'm gonna use this 5 and then this 1. So for Ken, I I actually have a little slip for him. So this is the one for Ken, and we are putting in $6. So plus 6, so the balance is 6. The last thing is the challenge money. I'm gonna do a 5 and 2 1s for the challenge, but we'll see. If I need change, I'll just get change, throw it in here for now, and then if I do need to separate it. So for groceries, I had some money left. I'm gonna put it on the side and then save those for my challenges. So I had 6 left over, and I'm going to do 50s, some 20s, 20, 40, 40, 50, 60. Let me do another 20, 20, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's get rid of these ugly 5s, 2 5s. All right. All right, so we said 200. So 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 200. So I'm gonna put 200 into groceries this term. And then for car, we're putting in $20. So running low. So I'm gonna just do a 20, and with the car, I'm keeping it for maintenance since this is a sinking fund for me. So far we have 100, 50, 70, 90. So 190. So 190. So I should have a fund for this. So 190. All right. Next up was fun money, and for fun money we said we were putting in $60. With fun money I have some left, but I want to keep it here. I may just move the ones over for a fun, and then I have $30. And I don't track my fun money, but I may start tracking it. I'm still not sure. So I'm gonna grab a 50 and then a 10. So 60. So then I have 50, 70, 80, 90. So 90 for fun money. I kind of just like to save that up so we can do something when we have more. Next up is personal, and for personal we are doing $50, and I have some left over. Again, I may just get rid of the ones and keep the 30, and then add my 50, which I think I'm gonna do the 50. So 50, So now in my personal, I have 50, 60, 70, 80. I have $80 to use. I have my kids fund, and for my kids fund, we're doing 20 bucks. So I'm gonna grab the 20. And so I have a 10, so then I have 20, 30 in my kids. So I'm adding to the kids 20 bucks, and I have 30 now. Next up, I have clothes, and for clothes, we said we were adding 20 bucks. I'm gonna do 2 10s, so 10, 20 for clothes. I currently have 70, so 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So now I have 90 in clothes. Perfect. So you already know my bills. So that's that. So that was clothes. And then I have beauty. For beauty, we were putting in $20. We're not gonna have change. I already know. It's already started. I can never get it together. So we're just gonna put 100 then into our I'm going to switch my grocery money, and I'm going to return the 100 and switch it for a 100 bill. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, going back, and I'm getting a 100 bill, and we're gonna pray that the grocery store will change it. All right, so we switched that out. So now for beauty, we can put in $20. So let me put these where they belong. And we need to do better with getting change because, yeah. I'm going to do just a 20 then for beauty. And then in beauty, I think I have some stuff left over. For beauty, I have $17 left, and I am going to be adding, the 20. So I have 20, 30, 5, 6, 7. I have 37. So our beauty. Next up is gas. So for gas, I need 60. So I'm going to use 20, 40, 50, 60. And my gas I keep in my wallet. So I'm going to put that to the side.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.